to politics at home after new revelations by former Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan on Operation Sindoor. Congress has demanded a comprehensive review of the military operation, saying headline-grabbing revelations cannot replace a structured assessment. They want something similar to post-Kargil review process. The row follows General Chauhan's comments on Pakistan's Kirana Hills, a site long linked with their nuclear infrastructure. The former CDS said India had deployed loitering munitions around Sargodha to target Pakistani radar systems and suggested that one munition may have inadvertently struck Kirana Hills after failing to locate its intended target. Reacting to this, Congress leader Jairam Ramesh said repeated disclosures by former CDS raise important questions. Take a look at what Jairam Ramesh had said. He says Operation Sindoor needs a comprehensive review. Headline-grabbing claims are no substitute for one. Recent revelations have raised serious concerns. The nation deserves a structured review of the operation. Op Sindoor needs a review like the Kargil War operation. But that is not where it is ending. After that, Congress MP has also mounted another attack on the statements by different armed forces officials. So he says in a fresh tweet that on July 4, 2025, Deputy Chief of Army Staff Lieutenant General revealed deep nature of Pak-China Jugalbandi during Op Sindoor. On August 25, 2026, ex-CDS General Anil Chauhan, he says, made his own revelations on this Jugalbandi, but his revelations are opposite of what General Singh had said. The nation is confused, he says. Is there some deeper plan to change the narrative? Is this part of the calibrated capitulation to China on part of the Modi government? He also added clear evidence of for a long while since Prime Minister's infamous clean chit to China on June 2020. So is this demand fair is the big question. Is it an insult to the valor of the armed forces, or is this a mere inquiry that the country should invest in? That's coming up with our guests.
We had sent in a lot of loiter ammunitions at Sargodha. And Kirana Hills is about 10 kilometers north of Sargodha. Pakistani media also showed some kind of images in which there was smoke coming out from Kirana Hills. And they were
एक मुद्दे को ढकना है, छिपाना है, उससे ध्यान हटाना है. क्या है वो मुद्दा? आप समझ ही गए होंगे. पैलेट गन का आदेश किसने दिया?
हमारे सैनिकों ने, हमारे डिफेंस फोर्सेस ने वो काम करके दिखाया जो दुनिया सोच नहीं सकती, और इसी की आज पहचान पूरे विश्व में हो रही है.
Rohan Gupta, National Secretary and National Spokesperson of the BJP, Ashwini Mishra, Political Analyst, and Major General Sanjay Meston, Defence Expert, joining us. Major General Sanjay Meston, I begin with you. Is it unfair to demand a review of an operation as important as Operation Sindoor? Congress is invoking what happened after Kargil, for example.
See, let's be very clear. Yesterday, I also heard the CDS entire statement. I think he, at the end, also alluded one thing very, very clearly, that after Op Sindoor, execution of Op Sindoor, Pakistan has done certain changes, and we are aware what those changes are. For example, the CTF has now been formed, and of course, basically, the rocket force has been formed, and integration and all the jointness now Pakistani armed forces, and plus they have the Saudi Arabia and Pakistan so-called defense pact, and now of course the Mecca pact. So in view of all this, obviously, he very clearly stated that we will be carrying out a review, and which is going to be within the armed forces, because this is important. And he said we have to take all these things, we can't take them lightly, including, the Mecca pact. So on that account, the review is, as it is being done internally in the armed forces, and which is always done as a constant practice, review and revision, everything is done, because we have to be always anticipating, and we have to be one step ahead of the enemy to know that with the latest capabilities now, what he has now developed, including satellites and all this trilateral so-called pact, what would be the implications on India? So on that account, perhaps to call it Kargil Review Committee would be incorrect. The armed forces would definitely and are carrying out review, but not, it is not a political review which is required to be presented to the Parliament Committee. That is what I feel.
Okay. Ashwini, the question that goes to the Congress party repeatedly is that, when they ask for certain things or certain information from the government on military operations, nothing wrong with that. Either they don't understand the sensitivity of the issues that they're talking about sometimes, or the timing of these, demands as well. For example, what happened right after Operation Sindoor was that the Congress was becoming a cheerleader of sorts of the narrative that our Rafales went down. And now also the manner in which Jairam Ramesh is putting across his demand is that he doubts what is happening within the armed forces and within the government. Is this the best way to approach sensitive issues?
I don't understand if it is a standard operating procedure after any war, then demanding that procedure, why you're calling it questioning armed forces? We never question armed forces. Our armed forces has shown auqat to Pakistan multiple times, ample
No,
number of
one
times.
second. Today, Jairam Ramesh has said that Deputy Chief of Army Staff said one thing. The ex-CDS General Anil Chauhan is saying another thing. So he doesn't trust, or maybe he doesn't understand the nuances of what both of them are talking, but he's clearly brought in the army officials into this, right? You can't say you
Okay.
haven't questioned them.
No, you tell me this. You tell me this. Government said that initially. Rajnath Singh in Parliament said that there was no casualties. There was no martyrs, right? And then later on, we found out that कुछ जवान हमारे शहीद हुए. So if government is hiding these details, and you said that we were the cheerleaders for Rafale. No, we were not the cheerleaders for when Rafale went down. We
No?
were concerned because a Rafale went down, and government is hiding.
You remember that visual of a UP state chief, Ajay Rai, standing
Yes.
with the Rafale model and with the Nimbu and Mirch on it. That's concern.
So you tell me, what was the date of that video? It was before Operation Sindoor. It was not after Operation Sindoor, and he did not mock that our Rafales went down. Check the dates, Mr. Rohan Gupta. You can also check the dates. It was questioning the government that point of time, that why are we not responding to Pakistan after Pahalgam attack. We were questioning government intent to respond to Pakistan, and why we were concerned about Rafale down, because there could be a scam but in purchasing the Rafale itself.
So
Do you think
precisely,
the
so you did question Rafale going down, and Congress leaders repeatedly mounted the question, how many of our Rafales went down? When again, there were statements from the Indian army officials only that all of our planes came back safe. But
No,
because
no.
Pakistan was continuously saying that they downed certain Rafales, even international reports quoted Pakistani sources, did the Congress not wittingly or unwittingly lend credence to those reports over and above our own army statements?
Our army never said that there were no plane, all planes
Sir,
returned home. And
the
there was no
ex-CDS's interview itself was the one that said that all of our planes came back.
No, he said it doesn't matter whether planes were down or not. What matters is whether our goal is achieved or not.
He
Please,
also said that all of our planes came back. There may have been problems, but all of them came back.
no. And moreover, stop misquoting. We are questioning the government. We are questioning the intent of government, where government is failed to respond on the critical issue.
I understand your questions to the government, but I just pointed out to you, Jairam Ramesh has brought in two statements by, armed officials. So,
He's telling, let government do a proper review.
no, he has also said, is there a deeper plan to change the narrative, calibrated capitulation to China? Because there is an evidence of this under this government in the past. Fair enough, you have a bone to pick with the government. But, when you drag in of army officials, as his tweet, he has posted videos. So that once again gives you the feeling that you don't trust the statements of the armed officials.
It's not. We are questioning only the government. We trust the armed forces, and armed forces has shown mirrors to Pakistan ample number of time. We did 1965, 71 Kargil war, and then Operation Sindoor.
Okay, let Rohan Gupta come in here. Rohan Gupta, what is the harm if, let's say, the opposition parties say, do a review, it was done after Kargil too?
Shivani, I think this is the problem of current opposition, that they've always crossed their line. even during Operation Sindoor, this is the first, I think, opposition party from India where their statements have been used by our enemy. This is the first time that the leader of the opposition party have become heroes in the Pakistan. Have you ever seen that? Obviously, you are there to do politics. You are in opposition. But at the time of crucial war, is this the time to play politics? No. But this is the line this current Congress party is missing. And this this is not the first time. Like you are given the example of Nimbu Mirchi, whatever the time was, that mocking Rafale, do you feel any opposition party will do? Applying, having Limbu Mirchi on Rafale, do you feel that it is not insult of army? Again, if you remember those times, the Congress party statement was that, okay, we surrendered and all. After that, the army chief had made 3 press conferences and he clearly told that how it all happened. And still Congress party kept on questioning army and they are saying that they are not against army. You cannot play politics on this crucial issue. And I think one of the gentlemen of the debate clearly told that army always does the review. But there cannot be a political review. There is a difference between a technical review of the operation and a political review. This is not the time that you do a political trial of such a big operation. The whole country is saying one more thing. They are still talking about, Rafale getting crashed and all. Do you feel that Pakistan, had it been done, they will not come out with the picture of the debris if it has happened inside the Pakistan? You tell me one Pakistan journalist or one media of Pakistan which has shown any debris. Do you feel that if this kind of incident happened, can you hide the debris? But still Congress party is not satisfied. Still Congress party is questioning our army. And again now, as usual, Mr. Jairam Ramesh is back to his original style, questioning the army and questioning this operation.
Yes, Mr. Kumar, what is it that you wanted to say?
I don't understand, Rohan. Questioning government is not questioning army. And knowing that how many soldiers lost their life, knowing that how many Indian civilians lost their life, is it not the government responsibility to publish these details?
I would answer that.
Yes.
Let
Let him answer that.
Again, I gave example. I think you are hiding. Questioning army statement that how ceasefire happened. You have questioned that. You told that we have surrendered against somebody. Right? You have questioned army statement. You have questioned army statement that we have not lost Rafale. So you yourself.
Also, if I remember correctly, soon after Operation Sindoor, I think it was 6 martyrs. Their names were actually there. They were awarded gallantry awards as well. But only, I think, a year later or so, everybody woke up to that. That information was given out soon after Operation Sindoor as well. So maybe, Rohan, the issue that is also at the heart of this is that some of the communication. One second, Ashwini ji. Some of the communication. The military political communication has been lacking. One person says one thing, another person says one thing. It can create confusion. It can create doubts in the minds of ordinary citizens. Do you think that may have been a failing for the last 1 year or so?
The issue is, Shivani, as a democracy, we have to understand which are the issues where politics should be played and which are the issues which are of national interest. This is not the first time that Congress is in opposition or BJP is in power. We have seen in past, but the current leadership of Congress parties under the Darbari culture, they miss this line. Why should you play politics on these issues? Why can't you avoid for a few days and just say that, okay, we are supporting government? This is not about any party, Shivani. This is for the country. This is about the country. Even the smallest, mistake or a misinformation can, it can make or mar the whole situation. And the Pakistan, how they are good in the negative warfare, the information warfare. That is their strong because they have lost the war. And in that situation, if our opposition leaders ask things which are contradicting to what army has already said, army has clarified, and then that is used by other countries, the enemy country, do you feel that is justified? I have a very limited question. And as far as any information is concerned, absolutely there are the forum, there are the defense committee, in parliamentary committees. You can ask the information if it is required for the non-political purpose, but using that for the political gain to show that government has failed, I don't think so.
Okay,
this is the
so the more pertinent question or the more immediate question that Jairam Ramesh is asking, that is the government hiding something on what was China's role or the China-Pakistan Jugalbandi? Now, military experts in India or overseas, they don't deny that there is one.
Yes.
So, is the Indian government trying to downplay that Jugalbandi? Should the government Because this is more political than just military, right? Should the government make a statement, or is this, as Jairam Ramesh puts it, that is there an effort to kind of refurbish the relationship with China? Therefore, there are different statements coming in on China's role in 1 year.
Shivani, where are the different statements? Everybody knows what is the involvement of China. Everybody knows how, some information was passed. There were news also. My question here is different. Diplomatically, you should trust the government. You cannot question government on the objective of as far as the diplomacy is concerned, because that is not the subject of domestic politics. I am just saying that if you are in government, you should trust diplomatically whatever government is doing. Definitely you should allow to do. आप उसको भी मीडिया में दुश्मन बनाएंगे, सरेंडर की बात करेंगे, ये प्ले नहीं कर सकते हैं. Everybody is watching. You are the main opposition party of the country. Each and every statement of yours is considered by the other countries.
There are certain moments or certain situations in which you back the government, which the Congress admirably did for a few days after Operation Sindoor, but within 2 weeks, that strategy completely changed and it was back to nitpicking and domestic politicking, and it was still too early in the aftermath of that stalled Operation Sindoor. And also, Ashwini Mishra, the issue is that the government has also maintained that, listen, Operation Sindoor is only stopped. It hasn't completely, been disbanded. It has only been halted. Now, in the middle of that, if you're asking for a review, I mean, how can that even take place when the government maintains, the military maintains that the operation is not over?
I have few pertinent questions to ask.
Yes.
Probably Rohan can answer them. First, did Rajnath Singh lied in parliament that no soldier died during Operation Sindoor? He made a statement on the floor. Was he lying? If he is lying, then is there no contempt on that? That is the first question. Second question I want to ask Rohan Gupta is, who takes decision whether we should attack Pakistan or we should have a ceasefire with Pakistan? Is it a military decision or a government decision? I think it is a government decision, not military decision, whether to attack Pakistan and do a ceasefire. So if it is a government decision, then government should answer. Mr. Trump insulted our sovereignty more than 100 times, and PM have never had a courage to speak against it. So that was a political statement and has to be replied in a political way. Where they are asking army, where we are bringing an army into that. You tell me this. Two questions.
But you're not really getting the issue that we're discussing.
Absolutely.
If the army comes out and gives information, then do you trust that information or not? That is the issue.
Why our PM is incapable of replying to a president?
What is he saying?
State, and he's a president of United States.
No, forget the Donald Trump issue. Can we focus on the issue that Jairam Ramesh has raised? Because Donald Trump issue we've kind of discussed like umpteen number of times. The Prime Minister clearly doesn't want to get into a verbal war with him, right? It's established, right?
No,
but I want to
question-
bring in, one second, sir. I want to bring in Major General Sanjay Meston also. Sir, the same question that I asked Rohan Gupta. Do you think there has been a little bit of a lag or a lack of coordination in some of the statements that are being made?
Shivani, as regards the lack of the lack of coordination is concerned, yes, to some extent you're right. See, after all, it was a very jointed operation done by the Indian Armed Forces, and it was resolved. So, on to that extent, where we lack perhaps was the narrative warfare, and there is no doubt on that. And therefore, the narrative warfare, even the briefing sometimes would take a lot of time.
No,
So-
actually, I was thinking just recently that during the anniversary or, during the release of this Operation Sindoor documentary that released on Independence Day, since then, and some of the statements and the revelations that have been coming out, actually that we are finally playing on the front foot. We were very cagey with saying certain things and revealing certain things, and I felt after a year almost, we were finally winning the narrative and the perception. Nobody, today can argue, barring of course Pakistan itself, that it did not get a hammering in Operation Sindoor, and that they could not literally even touch any of the Indian facilities. Nobody can argue that anymore, as much as they tried in the aftermath of Operation Sindoor. So I feel like finally we were kind of getting ahead of it. But, then now, for example, the Congress party is pointing out that you're not really coherent on the role of China.
See,
Shivani,
as regards,
again,
Sanjay Meston, please.
yeah. Firstly, as regards China is concerned, I think the national policy or the armed forces is very clear. Armed forces understands that collusivity between Pakistan and China will always be there, and that is why we take always two front war threat. On that account, we are very clear. Now, should we continue to have that kind of a relationship with China that we go for a war front? I think no, that is not required. You just saw that 25th special representative talk was held, and I think 8 points have been decided.
Yes.
The intent with China is that we have to manage the borders with China, and that exactly has been decided that we have to talk now about delimitation and management of the border. That is a priority.
Okay, so this
Because-
actually falls more in the realm of diplomacy, and it would be for other agencies to respond. But yes, Rohan Gupta, very quickly, I have limited time now.
Shivani, you have rightly said, all the information now are out in public, and now Congress party must apologize, because these are the questions they ask, and you tell that nobody except Pakistan. No, nobody except Pakistan and Congress can now dare to question Operation Sindoor. And that's what we have to understand. There are certain information which will take its own time to come out. There are some strategic information. There are some information which, purposefully or not out at that point. But you have to trust the government. How can you say that we have surrendered? Which government, whether it is Congress or BJP, will anybody surrender? No. They also know that these are all political allegations. And even on such sensitive issues, if they make the political allegations on the intention of
In
the
any
minister,
case, I
like
think
they
in
question the
hindsight,
intention of Jai Shankar.
in
That
hindsight,
is the
given what is
problem.
happening in the world and everything that has happened since Operation Sindoor, it's not a bad thing that India stuck to its primary goals, executed them, and walked out of this conflict when the opportunity
Absolutely.
came. In any case, I don't think that's a bad thing. In hindsight, at that time, many people were wondering why did we end it when we had an upper hand. Yes, Mr. Mishra, final 30 seconds.
Yeah, so Rohan is talking about trusting the government. I raised one serious concern that Mr. Rajnath Singh lied in parliament. That is, how can I trust the government where defense minister is lying in the floor of the
Can
house?
you address that, Rohan? Can you please address that? I remember that some the 6 matters were
Rajnath
announced
made
soon after,
statement on
but maybe not
Tuesday.
soon
Yeah.
enough. Yes.
Shivani,
See,
let me
again,
finish.
the Congress party's
Let me
questions will
finish,
not
Rohan.
stop.
Let
He
me finish,
answered,
Rohan.
they just 1 minute, just
Let me
one.
finish. Let me
28th of
finish.
July,
Let me
he
finish. I
answered
did not
in
interrupt you,
parliament.
Rohan. Let me finish.
Okay,
Again,
let him finish. Rohan Gupta, let him finish. Limited time.
Shivani,
please.
Shivani, you also told that Operation Sindoor is continue, and
Yes.
by that time PM Modi said that act of terrorism, act of terror will be act of war with Pakistan.
Yes.
And right after that, Delhi blast happened. Was that not an act of terror from Pakistan? Did we respond to Pakistan? Was not that act of war? So these are the questions which raise
Maybe the
concern.
government needs to still establish the role of Pakistan to the extent that we can take it to the
Government has given
international
official
community.
statement that's the role of
But
Pakistan.
Mr. Mishra, you do understand, right? In Operation Sindoor, we
What
had
do you mean?
evidence that we could take to the international community. We are a responsible country. So if they tomorrow are able to link that, I'm sure that questions will arise of what
Official
action will be taken
statement
against
that
Pakistan.
Pakistan funded terror attack in Delhi.
Shivani.
Exactly my point. See, in Pahalgam, it was Pakistanis. In Delhi, it was
Delhi
home,
also.
our
It's
own
that-
Indian terrorists, right? So maybe it's taking a little bit longer to establish that trail. Have faith. In any case, I've run out of time. I do thank all of our guests for joining us.